Hello, this video we will show you this big size cutting ruler. This side it measures for 12 inches and this long side it raises up to 18 inches, and all these printings, the grid lines, and also it goes with different angle lines such as 30, 45 and 60. These three lines are the most popular and useful functions for sewing quilting. And this video we will show you how to use this ruler for cutting the fabrics. And here we are preparing a cutting mat and also this rotary cutter and a piece of fabric. When we need to cut a big size fabric, this cutting ruler will be very useful. And just for example, we can cut it like this. Okay, it goes smoothly. And we can cut all these cutting lines. Okay, here we can just turn around this ruler. Okay, and just cut again. After cutting, you will get types of small piece fabrics with different size, any way you like. Okay. Okay, here we can check how many pieces we are getting. Using this piece, this one. We are getting all these small piece fabrics, squares, rectangle shapes, different. It's very quick and easy. Here also you can still use for next time, but here it's very cute and nice. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you.